today we are going to knit this beautiful pattern. It's called double basket weave, and it's 8 row pattern, very simple. We are using only knit and purl stitches. This is the right side, this is the wrong side, and let's begin then. I already cast on 17 stitches. It's including two edge stitches, and then begin. And our odd rows we always knit, and my first row is odd row. I am going to knit my first row all the way down. I'm going to knit. I know you know how to knit now. I am going to knit all my first row stitches, and few more to go, and 4 more stitches. Okay, end of my first row knitting, and now I am going to start my second row. My second row, we knit 3 per 1. It's a repeat section. I skip my salvage stitch and starting with my repeat section, knit 3, 1 knit, 2 knit, 3 knit, and per 1. I am repeating my repeat section again. 3 knits, 1, 2, 3, and per, and 3 knits again. 1 knit, 2 knit, 3 knit, and purl again. And my last 3 stitch we going to purl, knit. 1 knit, 2 knit, 3 knit, and my edge stitch I always purl my edge stitch because it's a edge stitch. Now I am going to do my third row. I am knit all these stitch. I have come. Now I am going to do row 4. Row 4 we are repeating row 2. I skip my salvage stitch. Row 2 is knit 3 per 1. It's a repeat section. 1, 2 knit, 3 knit, and per 1. Again repeat section, 3 knits, 1, 2, 3, and per 1. Again repeat section, knit 3, 1 knit, 2 knit, 3 knit, and per 1. And my last 3 stitch I'm going to knit 1 knit, 2 knit, and 3. This is my salvage stitch. I'm going to purl my salvage stitch. Okay, and now row 5 need to knit all this row stitches, and I meet up with you with row 6. Okay, we are going to do row 6. Row 6, I am first one I am skip my salvage stitch, and first one is knit 1, and we are going to start repeating section per 1, knit 3, 1 knit, 2 knit, 3 knit, and again start our section, repeating section per 1, knit 3, 1 knit, 2 knit, and 3 knit. Again our repeat section per 1, knit 3, 1 knit, 2 knit, 3 knit, and our last 2 stitches we are going to purl 1, knit 1. This one is my salvage stitch. I always purl my salvage stitch. Okay, and again row 7. Row 7 we need to knit all the way down. Okay, I'll meet up with row 8. Row 8 we are going to follow row 6, and I skip my edge stitch and I am starting. First one is knitting, and this is the repeat section. Purl 1, knit 3, purl 1, knit 3, 1 knit, 2 knit, 3 knit, and purl again, repeat section. Purl 1, knit 3, 1 knit, 2 knit, 3 knit, and purl again. Purl 1, knit 3. It's easy. Knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, and my last 2 edge stitches I purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, and my salvage stitch I always purl. This is our 8 row pattern. It's look like this, and I'll meet up with another few rows. After few rows our pattern is look like this. This is the right side, this is the wrong side. I hope you enjoy my video. I will come back with another beautiful stitch pattern. Bye bye.